In the town of Winchendon in central Massachusetts, once a leading furniture-producing region, a family-owned factory thrives against all odds.
We're almost the only game in town in terms of furniture manufacturing.
First it went down south for, lower cost. Then it went overseas. I think we're just really committed to the community at this point, and he loves designing. He would just design forever.
Basically, everything starts right here.
Saloom Furniture is Peter and Linda Saloom, their son Peter, and dedicated craftspeople who build one chair, one table at a time. Born in a basement workshop in 1980, Saloom is sold in 350 retailers nationwide. All are special orders.
We have no standard product. The person who's going to put our dining furniture in their home picks what shape, what size, the finish, what chair style, the fabric.
We just make as ordered, and then that way they ship out fast.
Customization is one reason the company survives.
There really is no Saloom style. Saloom is distinguished by quality.
Then if they know the story that it's American made, that's hard to get nowadays, and to some people that matters a lot.
We just came up with a new table base design called the Quincy base. It's got a big X and it's got steel rods in it, and it's been a big hit.
The Salooms say they're making tomorrow's heirlooms today. More importantly, they're training a new generation of furniture makers.
Back in the day when all the furniture factories were here, you would get people coming to your door with 10 years of experience in specific areas, upholstery or chair assembly. Now the person we hire, their last job was down at Dunkin' Donuts, and they want to learn how to make furniture. We're so committed to this business and to the craft, and it can't continue unless there's somebody here to do this training. And we have some good young people that are really learning how to make furniture.
One of the most popular styles is called the K-base. It's part of their New England collection.
Well, clearly we have good taste because this is a K-base table. And when we got it, we didn't realize actually that it was made in Massachusetts. And then we learned that it was a Saloom. And it is only fitting, Anthony, that Chronicle table would be made in Massachusetts,
Absolutely.
correct?
The way that it should be.
That's absolutely.